Hello folks. One of my favorite electric ducted fan jets that I used to have was my Eurofighter jets from Nitroplanes. I loved that jet and I even had 3 of them. Unfortunately, they were burned up in the fire when my shop and house burned down on 9/11 of 2016. I made many videos of that plane, and as you can see, one video has even been viewed 4.7 million times. I used to fly them in the dark and even added a rocket jet assist motors to them for fun. Well, they were amazing machines and I really missed them a lot. Nitroplanes has discontinued them and Hobby King too. Plus any of the ones that I have found are just too expensive for my situation these days, as I just spent a ton of money building and converting a rare Byron F-16 to electric, which many of you seen fly. So until the weather changes and I can get out to fly it, my only ducted fan jet that I have left, I will fly this Eurofighter this way till then. Well, here's a little bit of history about the Eurofighter that you may find interesting. Well, the Dassault Mirage 2000 is a French multi-role fighter with the typical delta wing design. It was first flown in 1978 and the aircraft was in production until 2007. The jet is built with relaxed aerodynamic stability and a fly-by-wire control system to enhance maneuverability. Like the original, the model is equipped with 4 elevons and leading-edge slats. So enjoy the flight, as this one flies exactly like the Arctec ones flew. You know, our club flew on the road in California for 12 years, so I guess that's why I like flying here on 7 Mile Canyon Road in Utah. Well, thanks a lot for watching, folks. I really appreciate it. Also, when I say this Sims Eurofighter, which is actually the only way I can fly the Eurofighter these days, flies and the sticks feel just like my real models did, is because I actually had the real models to fly and compare them to, not just guessing. And I've also put links in the description box for the original videos if you care to see them again, albeit the cameras I used back then weren't as good as today's. And if you have a hankering to do so, please subscribe to see more. Take care, and we'll see you next time.